Well, hey there, it's Jen.
And Elko, welcome back to the Jen and Elko Show, where we talk about print on demand. Marketing and strategy is our forte, but we love using new products as a way to create strategy for you because you want to make money, right? But there's 1,500, I think even more products that are unique and different on the Zazzle platform. I think it's 3,500 products altogether. And so it takes a while to sift through the products. And that's what we love doing. And we hope that you love these videos. So if you do, make a comment down below. It's always crickets. And we're going like, are we talking to nobody? We need you to actually say something. Otherwise, we're not going to continue to doing these product videos. So I'm being your mom right now. Go like, put the comment down below. Okay. So for this episode, we have to announce a really cool feature. And as you know, business cards are one of the top sellers on the Zazzle platform, which is a print-on-demand platform. And if you aren't on this platform yet, and you're just on Etsy and you're using Printify, man, are you missing out. Okay, so come over to the dark side and make sure that, no, Zazzle is actually really cool. It's not dark. But come over and actually look and see what this offer is. It is so cool. It is, you want to tell the secret?
It is gold foil and also spot raised, which means that you can actually raise parts of it, business cards, which is really cool.
Yeah, very cool. So no longer flat. Obviously, there was a glossy, there was a matte version, but now basically using gold foil, raised gold foil. And let's get into what that means, even this like spot thing that you're talking about.
Yes. So here we go. Just give me 1 second. We'll look at this little video that they've created for the product description or product announcement, and then we'll go into the actual design tool so that we can see what is on the business card. Because obviously, if you've created foil related products before, for example, an invitation or the foil napkins, you have the opportunity to have certain things not foil and certain things foil, and they're actually on two different design layers. And it looks like for the spot raised as well, it's the same sort of concept where you're designing on a different technically layer so that you can designate what you want to be raised or not. But I'm going to just share my screen really quickly, and then we'll go and watch this little short video where they're showcasing what these business cards look like. And I'm going to make it full screen. Hopefully you can now see this a little bit here.
A spot foil. Let's see that. And the twist is foil. This one has foil. Let's see the foil reflection on there. Here's another one with foil. This one has foil as well. A spot gloss, a raised gloss, which, let's see if I can capture it. So she's got gloss on her. The pets in this one have a gloss.
You see that?
And then a combo foil and gloss. So if I get this right, you can see that there's that gold foil there, plus, there we go, plus the gloss. So 3 different product types. And we separate them into 3 different product types because it makes it easier for customers when they land on a product page to select either their foil options or the spot UV, or sorry, the spot gloss, raised gloss options, or the combination. And also in the design tool, each one of these has a layer. So there's a foil layer for these that doesn't exist on the regular business cards. There's this the gloss layer. It doesn't exist on the regular business cards. And in the combo, there's a lot of layers here. Now, one of the
very cool. So you have those 3 different options then for creating the foil, then the gloss, which is technically like, it's kind of like a foil, like I don't want to call it foils because it's not, but the same sort of effect that the foil has, where it's actually, you saw that shimmer, right? Were you able to see that in the video when we were watching?
I had to take a break and get some water.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Well, but yes, I hopefully in this video that you can see, because I can't make it full screen on us when we're recording this, but if you go into the product, announcement, you can go in and watch the video yourself on Zazzle. But yes, so the gold foil, you saw that shimmer with the spot gloss for like shimmer. You could see that certain colors that they've obviously designated, or certain images, like you saw this little picture of a cartoon woman and then the cartoon dogs. You could see that was when he moved it in the light, it shimmered based on the color options. I think you also have to choose certain colors because it will show tastes better on the shimmer. But then the third option, which obviously there's 3 different product types. We have the foil, the gloss option, and then the combination between the 2 of them. And you saw that on his last business card where he had, it was just the word Zazzle multiple times. And then the last Zazzle was the gold foil, but the entire rest of the other words that said Zazzle were the glossy colors. So that's kind of neat. So going into the design tool, like he mentioned in the video, if you open it up, which we'll just do that right here, give me 1 second to showcase to you what it looks like. For example, the gloss version here is that you'll have it says front gloss, then you have the front, which means that you can actually design something without gloss on it. Then you have the back, and you also have back gloss, which is kind of cool. And if we go then to the foil business card here, we can just see now we have the front foil, we have the front, and we also have the option to put foil on the back, which is really cool. And then
where do you do the one together?
Yeah, last but not least, I'm just going back to this is where you get all these links here from in the announcement. So this was the foil, this was the raised spot gloss, and then this is the combination here. And you can see then, obviously, we have front foil option, front gloss option, front option, back foil, back gloss, and back option.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
So cool. So get right on these. This is definitely a winner. Definitely.
Yes.
A winner.
So many opportunities. And I even in that video, it was very tiny. So maybe you didn't see it in the recording here, but go and watch that video. But in the video that he showed the foil, and even the name, which was quite small. It wasn't even like the main logo. The name itself was foil, and it was very noticeable. So I'm excited to see what this looks like on business cards. If you have not yet watched our other video that we just released talking about the clear and frosted business cards, go and watch that after this video, because now there's so many amazing options for business cards that weren't available before. Previously, it was just the different sizes, and if you wanted sort of a rounded or a squared edge, but now you have these new options that can just take your business card game to the next level.
Absolutely. So let's go print some money.
Yes. And if you're not on Zazzle and you're on Etsy, or you're watching this video and you're like, well, I'm on Printful or Printify, this is an amazing option. These business cards are obviously not available on other platforms. And so if you're not yet on Zazzle, then we have a really great starter course for you. You can get up and running in around a half an hour to an hour. The link is in the description below. And then you can start designing these business cards and get into the business card market, because it's extremely lucrative on the Zazzle platform.
Absolutely. So
yes.
Let's see you in the next one.
Bye.